Today we will discuss about the coenzymes. Coenzymes means the assistance of the enzyme or assistant of the enzyme. Coenzyme accelerate the rate of enzymatic reaction by binding at the active site of the enzyme. As I have told you that enzymes are proteinaceous in nature. Only protein parts of the enzyme, which is called apoenzyme, which are very slow active or have no activity. But when they are associated with coenzymes or cofactors, they show their optimum activity or maximum activity. So the coenzymes are the organic molecules which are bound at the active site of the enzyme and assist the enzymatic reaction. So with the help of the coenzymes, enzymes show their optimum activity. Coenzymes participate in the transfer of the electrons. Either they accept electron or they donate electron, as well as they are also involved in the transfer of the functional group during the enzymatic reaction. There are several types of the coenzymes which generally are the derivative of vitamin B complex. Besides this, there are several other coenzymes which assist the enzymatic reaction. So we will see here the different type of the coenzymes. NAD or NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. NAD is the most important type of the coenzymes which are the major coenzyme of dehydrogenases, and it is the major coenzymes which participate in the catabolic pathway occurs in mitochondria. They are the coenzymes of the enzymes which are involved in the Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, electron transport chain, fatty acid oxidation, and several other reactions. NAD is oxidized form and it is reduced by accepting the electrons and converted into NADH. NADH plus H plus means this accepts hydrogen in the ionic form, electrons in the ionic form. NADP is generally involved in the synthetic processes such as in photosynthesis. NADP is in the synthetic process, whereas NAD functions as the major coenzymes in the degradative or catabolic pathways or energy yielding pathways. NAD is the derivative of vitamin B3, that is niacin. So they are the major coenzyme of dehydrogenases, such as we have seen in Krebs cycle. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, malate dehydrogenase, means all these enzymes require NAD as a coenzyme. NAD also functions in the electron transport chain and participate as a acceptor and donor of the electrons. Second is FAM and FAD, flavin mononucleotide or flavin adenine dinucleotide. They are also the derivative of vitamin B2 riboflavin. So, like NAD, they also functions as a electron donor and acceptor in various dehydrogenases. The efficiency of attachment of the FAD is more in comparison to the NAD to their dehydrogenase. FAD is the coenzyme of succinate dehydrogenase, one of the major enzyme of Krebs cycle, that convert succinate into fumarate. Succinate into fumarate. This is the only enzyme of Krebs cycle that is membrane bound. Succinate dehydrogenase is membrane bound. FAD is also required by pyruvate dehydrogenase complex and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. So the function of both are same. The transfer of electrons is in ionic form by the NAD and it forms the pair of electrons such as it is converted into FADS2, whereas NAD is converted into NADH plus S plus. So the tendency of the electron transfer differs and the attachment to the active site of their particular dehydrogenase also differ. NAD is only weak interaction or non-covalently interact with their enzymes, whereas FAD has a strong affection to their enzyme. And its coenzyme A. Coenzyme A is also the derivative of vitamin B complex, which is known as pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is phosphorylated and forms phosphopantothenate, and it plays an important role in the fatty acid biosynthesis because it is responsible for the transfer of acid group. So there is a protein which functions like a platform in the fatty acid synthesis is acyl carrier protein. Acyl carrier protein functions like a platform at which fatty acid synthesis occurs, and this protein is responsible for the transfer of acid group. So this protein requires pantothenate as a coenzyme for their smooth functioning. Thymine pyrophosphate. It is also the derivative of vitamin B1, which is known as thymine. The phosphorylated form of thymine is the active coenzyme. This thymine pyrophosphate plays an important role in the oxidative decarboxylation process, such as pyruvic acid and alpha ketoglutarate acid. Pyruvic acid, which are formed as an end product of glycolysis and converted into acetyl coenzyme by pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. You already know that pyruvate dehydrogenase complex is a multi-enzyme complex and contains the cluster of different enzymes which functions independently, and thymine pyrophosphate functions as a coenzyme for the pyruvate decarboxylase as the member of the cluster of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex is also a multi-enzyme complex which also contains the cluster of 3 enzymes, and thymine pyrophosphate functions as a coenzyme for the decarboxylase which are the member of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Pyridoxal phosphate. It is also derived from vitamin B. It is the coenzyme of transaminase. Generally, pyridoxal exists in 3 different forms: pyridoxal, pyridoxamine, and pyridoxal. Transamination means the transfer of the amino group. Pyridoxal phosphate play an important role in the enzyme transaminase, means they transfer the amino group, and it also involved in the transferring the amino group, and after accepting amino group it is converted into pyridoxamine phosphate, and it donates their amino group to the alpha keto acid and forms amino acid. So it involves in the transferring of amino group in the transamination reaction which are catalyzed by transaminase. Lipoic acid. Lipoic acid also play an important role in oxidative decarboxylation reactions and also the coenzyme of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. It also contains SH group, sulfide group, which are sensitive to the arsenic. Arsenic inactivates this coenzyme and hence they halt the Krebs cycle. So there may be respiratory stress when acute exposure of the lipoic acid occurs with the arsenic. So arsenic poisoning is directly related to the inactivation of the lipoic acid, which is the coenzyme of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase as well as pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, and both results into stress of the Krebs cycle and finally results into respiratory halt. Long-term exposure of arsenic results into several types of cancer. So SS group is sensitive to the arsenic. This coenzyme are involved in the oxidative decarboxylation process. Biotin. Biotin is also related to the vitamin B complex and it is involved in the carboxylation reaction and it carries carbon dioxide. It functions as a carrier of carbon dioxide. This coenzyme biotin, it also forms a complex with amidine. Amidine is a protein of egg white. Egg white that contains amidine, and biotin forms the complex with amidine, and amidine prevents the absorption of biotin in the intestine. So biotin amidine complex is not absorbed, but this functions as a coenzyme and for the carboxylase, for the enzyme carboxylase. Other is tetrahydrofolic acid. Tetrahydrofolic acid exists as tetrahydrofolate. It is involved in the single carbon fragment transfer of the single carbon fragments such as formyl, methyl and methyl group. So this play an important role actually in the nucleotide biosynthesis, and I have told that tetrahydrofolate, the activity of this is reduced by a drug known as methotrexate, which is the structural analog of tetrahydrofolate and are widely used as anti-cancer drugs because it prevents the nucleotide biosynthesis. So these groups are transferred by tetrahydrofolate, and this also plays a role in the modification of the nitrogenous bases. Cobalamin, the coenzyme which are derived from the vitamin B12. The most of the reaction which are catalyzed by the enzyme and cobalamin functions as a coenzyme, which are the intramolecular transfer of carboxylic group. Intramolecular transfer of carboxylic group means those enzymes which are involved in the catalysis of intramolecular transfer of carboxylic group requires cobalamin as a coenzyme. So cobalamin means the vitamin B12. It is also absorbed with the help of a factor known as intrinsic factor. In the absence of intrinsic factor, the absorption of cobalamin does not occur, and which results into pernicious anemia. But as a coenzyme, it is involved in the intramolecular transfer of carboxylate group.